when it comes down to achieving our goals, moving forward to our goals, we need a decision. When it comes to our goals, we need a decision. See that when you have your goals written out on paper, or you have very clear thoughts about it, then you are not like most people. You're already average. And think about, if you are able to understand what the process of decision making is, how much more powerful you will be understanding this. So this is why I share this topic with you, because recall a moment in your life that you had to decide A or B or C, this way or that way. What would you do? We can lose ourselves in doubt for a long time. And there's two prerequisites that we need in order for us to go for something. The first thing is, am I able to? Am I able to? Well, recall the big things in your life. Were you able to? You were only able to because you knew this was what you wanted. You knew this was what you saw for yourself to be true. No matter what people told you, you were so firm and certain. So this same principle is still on when we make decisions. And the second prerequisite is, am I willing to? So yes, are you willing to do the work? Are you willing to have the insecurity that comes with it? You know? Are you okay, to live with a certain unclarity in how things will evolve? Because, yes, when you really want something, yes, you are willing to do what it takes. You will learn a new language, or you will move to another country, or you will take the risk. It doesn't matter, it's your responsibility. You decide upon it because you believe it, and you know, right? It feels, this is yours. So am I able to, and am I willing to? Okay? Because most people, they are taught to look at their circumstances before they take a decision. And if John F. Kennedy decided to go to the moon, or to put people on a rocket to go to the moon, on a rocket to go to the moon, well, the only thing that he wanted to know is, are we able to? And are we willing to? And there was no question about money. And they decided before the end of the year. And it's the same when people are going for an Olympic sport. They don't look at the circumstances saying, hey, I'm not able to do that right now. No, they train. And they have this image inside of their minds that they will run over the finish line. They will be the fastest. They do whatever it takes to train. Right? So this is it. This is it. And it goes actually the same as, if you are thinking of buying a house and you look at your circumstances, if you're able to buy that house, it comes down to deciding you're going to buy that house, and then you only have to think about the money after you have taken the decision to buy that house. This is how strong this principle is, because by you deciding you want this, you turn on a mechanism inside of your head. It's a goal-seeking mechanism that will support you to achieve those goals. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is, You are telling the universe, hey universe, I want this. And what do you think if the universe hear you with this firm decision that you deeply desire this, that you have the confidence to go for it? You know, there's attraction, action and reaction. What you put out with the vibration of belief, you will receive. Think about it. So yes, this is the message that I wanted to share with you today. It's a very powerful one. Understand that if you get to be very good in taking decisions, how you can put up your life to a level of your dreams, your goals. Ciao, talk to you soon. If you like this video, give it a like. Grüezi. If you think you had something valuable from this, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with someone who is very appreciative to receive this information, because they are in front of a big decision and they don't know where to go, what to do with it. Alright? So share it with them. They will be very happy you did. And there's a bell sign, by the way. Click it and then you will receive a notification when a new video is out, because I'm dedicated every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday morning at 8 a.m. Central European Time to share valuable information with you, insights, so you get very clear on your soul's calling and how to live that. Yes. All right, look at this. Ooh. Isn't this beautiful? Ah, nature is so abundant. And the smell. Ah, I leave you for now. Bye bye. Talk to you very soon. Ciao. Ciao, ciao.